My boss fired me because I refused to listen to ChatGPT. So once upon a time, I was hired for handling the content and marketing. UK based company, by the way. They made us change our names to UK white people's names. Mind you, the founders were brown people. One of the biggest red flags that every mail that you send to colleagues which did not involve founder, he would still get the mail and he would just randomly jump into the mail trail responding to you when it was not even mailed to him. For example, I wanted to mail my manager like, XYZ, should we do this or that? And he would just come into the mail. He was not even tagged, he was not even CC'd. He would just jump into the mail and be like, why are you asking for this document? Or why are you not doing this or that? Bitch, founder would literally send ChatGPT written essays on small emails. Even when you're asking if you can do some certain something or not, he's going to send you 3 to 4 page long ChatGPT email as a response. The work that he's asked you to do and you've sent it in a document form, he's not going to read it because he used to literally repeat the same thing in the response mails. And when we pointed out that it was already covered, he would fire back with another AI written asking us to not be argumentative. Even the top skilled people that were hired were asked to just follow AI generated strategies for marketing and to execute literally anything. AI generated strategies were so unrealistic that he micromanaged everyone. Even the people who worked under a manager, he micromanaged them too.